Hey there, savvy savers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down financial topics to help you make smarter decisions. Today, we're tackling a hot topic for 2025, secured versus unsecured credit cards. If you're building your credit or just want to understand your options, this video is for you. Let's dive right in. First off, what's a secured credit card? It's a card that requires you to put down a deposit, which acts as collateral. Think of it like a safety net for the issuer. For example, if you deposit $200, that's your credit limit. These cards are perfect if you're starting out or recovering from credit issues. The biggest pro is that they help build your credit score with responsible use, since your payment history gets reported to credit bureaus. However, the cons include tying up your money in that deposit and often having higher interest rates. In 2025, with rising economic uncertainties, secured cards are becoming even more accessible for newcomers. On the flip side, unsecured credit cards don't require any deposit. They're based on your creditworthiness, meaning you'll need a decent credit score to qualify. These cards usually offer higher limits, rewards programs, and perks like cashback or travel points. For instance, if you have good credit, you might snag a card with 2% cashback on all purchases. The main advantage is flexibility and potential rewards, but watch out for the downsides. Tougher approval processes, higher interest rates if your credit isn't stellar, and the risk of debt if you're not careful. In 2025, with AI-driven lending, unsecured cards are evolving to offer personalized rewards, but they still demand financial responsibility. So, which one should you get? It boils down to your credit situation. If you have little or no credit history, start with a secured card to build a strong foundation. Once your score improves, transition to an unsecured card for better benefits. Always compare fees, interest rates, and rewards before applying. Remember, the key to any credit card is using it wisely, pay on time, and keep balances low. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more financial tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. See you next time.